Pineapple is an incredibly delicious, healthy tropical fruit. It's packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and other helpful compounds, such as enzymes that can protect against inflammation and disease. It is commonly eaten baked, grilled, or freshly cut. Pineapple and its compounds are linked to several health benefits, including improvement in digestion, immunity, and recovery from surgery. Pineapple also contains trace amounts of phosphorus, zinc, calcium, and vitamins A and K. Pineapple has so many impressive health benefits, but in this video, we will discuss only 8 of them. 1. Pineapple is loaded with nutrients. Pineapples are low in calories but boast an impressive nutrient profile. Rich in vitamin C and magnesium. Vitamin C is essential for immune health, iron absorption, and growth and development, while magnesium offers antioxidant properties and aids in growth and metabolism. Antioxidants help prevent oxidation in your body, which may help ward off inflammation that can lead to cancer and other chronic disease. Pineapples also contain other micronutrients such as copper, thiamine, and vitamin B6, which are essential for healthy metabolism. 2. Pineapple contains disease-fighting antioxidants. Pineapples are not only rich in nutrients but also loaded with antioxidants, molecules that help your body ward off oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is caused by an abundance of free radicals, unstable molecules that cause cell damage, often linked to chronic inflammation, weakened immune health, heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Pineapples are especially rich in antioxidants called flavonoids and phenolic compounds. The antioxidants in pineapples are considered bound antioxidants, meaning they produce longer-lasting effects. 3. Pineapple may aid digestion. Interestingly, pineapple contains a group of digestive enzymes called bromelain that may ease the digestion of meat. Bromelain functions as a protease, which breaks down protein molecules into their building blocks, such as amino acids and small peptides. Once protein molecules are broken down, small intestines can more easily absorb them. This is especially helpful for people with pancreatic insufficiency, a condition in which the pancreas cannot make enough digestive enzymes. Bromelain is also widely used as a commercial meat tenderizer due to its ability to break down tough meat proteins. Pineapples are a good source of fiber, which aids digestive health. 4. Pineapple may reduce cancer risk. Cancer is a chronic disease characterized by uncontrolled cell growth. Its progression is commonly linked to oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. Several studies show that pineapples and its compounds, including bromelain, may reduce cancer risk by minimizing oxidative stress and reducing inflammation. Some studies also show that bromelain may also help treat cancer that has already developed. For instance, one test tube study found out that bromelain suppressed the growth of breast cancer cells and stimulated cell death. Further studies have found that bromelain may stimulate the immune system to produce molecules that make white blood cells more effective at suppressing cancer cell growth and eliminating cancer cells. 5. Pineapple may boost immunity and suppress inflammation. Pineapples have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. They contain a wide variety of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes such as bromelain that may collectively improve immunity and reduce inflammation. Studies have also shown that bromelain can reduce markers of inflammation, thereby aiding immune health. 6. Pineapple may ease symptoms of arthritis. Many types of arthritis exist, but most involve joint inflammation. Bromelain's anti-inflammatory properties may provide pain relief for those with inflammatory arthritis. One study found bromelain supplements to be as effective in easing osteoarthritis in the lower back as regular pain treatment. Furthermore, a test tube study found that this compound helped protect against the degradation of cartilage, tissue, and the inflammation associated with osteoarthritis. 7. Pineapple may speed recovery after surgery or strenuous exercise. Eating pineapple may reduce the time it takes to recover from surgery or exercise. While pineapple helps replenish carb store after exercise, some of its benefits are also due to the anti-inflammatory properties of bromelain. Several studies have shown that bromelain may reduce the inflammation, swelling, bruising, and pain that often occur after surgery, including dental and skin procedures. 2 reviews suggest that bromelain may reduce discomfort, pain, or swelling after dental surgery. Moreover, proteases such as bromelain may speed muscle recovery after strenuous exercise by reducing inflammation around the damaged muscle tissue. 8. Pineapples are easy to add to your diet. Pineapples are sweet, convenient, and easy to add to your diet. The fresh fruit is easy to find in many grocery stores and markets, even out of season. You can buy it canned, dehydrated, or frozen year-round. You can enjoy pineapple on its own, in smoothies, on salads, or on homemade pizzas. But note, pineapples are not a common allergen. Eating them is considered very low risk unless you have a known pineapple allergy. In that case, you should avoid pineapple and its extracts. Pineapple is widely considered safe, though a small percentage of people may have an allergy to it. People who have diabetes or take blood thinners should be mindful of portion size when eating pineapple. As always, stay dedicated because it's not going to happen overnight. Thanks for making time with me today also, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. My name is Kukua, and this is Kukuasinspiration. See you all in my next video. Bye.